Are you ready to set sail on the cruise of a lifetime? Join us as we take a look at the world's top 5 cruise ships. From the latest in cutting-edge technology to the timeless elegance of maritime tradition, these cruise ships are sure to exceed your expectations. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an exciting episode of our channel. Number 5. Cunard. Cunard is a cruise line that takes passengers on a journey back in time to the golden age of ocean travel. Known for its opulence and sophistication, Cunard evokes the spirit of a bygone era, offering a luxurious and elegant experience to its guests. With a rich maritime history, Cunard provides an unforgettable journey on the high seas. Its ships are designed to transport passengers to a world of grandeur, complete with world-class dining, impeccable service, and refined entertainment. Number 4. Holland America Line. Holland America Line is a U.S.-based cruise line with a rich heritage in maritime history. Its fleet of 15 ships provides travelers with the opportunity to explore the world and indulge in the timeless elegance of ocean travel. Holland America Line's commitment to delivering exceptional service and creating unforgettable experiences has made it a popular choice among travelers seeking a luxurious and sophisticated cruising experience. With its exquisite decor, delectable cuisine, and world-class entertainment, Holland America Line sets a high standard for the industry. Number 3. Royal Caribbean International. With the easing of COVID-19 measures and requirements, the Royal Caribbean Group now offers some of the most exciting cruise packages on the market. Cruise Compate has identified the company's 6 most popular ships: Oasis of the Seas, Allure of the Seas, Harmony of the Seas, Symphony of the Seas, Wonder of the Seas, and Odyssey of the Seas. Number 2. P&O Cruises. P&O Cruises is one of the oldest cruise lines in the world and is renowned for its relaxed pace and sense of extravagance. With destinations in Asia, South America, the South Pacific, and the Middle East, P&O Cruises offers a true taste of luxury on the high seas. The biggest vessel in the fleet is the MS Iona, with a tonnage of 184,089 GT, a length of 344.5 meters, and a maximum capacity of 5,206 passengers. Number 1. Carnival Cruise Line International. Carnival Cruise Line International is the largest cruise line in the world in terms of the number of passengers carried annually and the total number of ships in the fleet. With its reputation as an entertainment company, Carnival offers low-cost cruises that are perfect for the young and young at heart. Decorated with the neon lights of Las Vegas, you'll never run out of fun things to do on a Carnival cruise. So there you have it, the world's top 5 cruise ships. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an exciting episode of our channel.